Lovely people, so today we're going to do a little unboxing routine before I go to bed. I'm just going to show you a little bit about the products that one of my favorite small business products that I really like right now. I ordered this a couple of weeks ago and I'm really excited to show you guys the inventory. So this is just the invoice. I just wanted to show y'all that this wasn't a paid video or anything. So this is the newest product, Cotton Candy Bliss. I haven't used it yet, but I'm very excited about using it. So far, all of the scents are phenomenal. Strawberry body butter is one of my favorites. It's also one of my sister's favorites. I gave it to her for Christmas, and she literally said that her husband, when she put it on, consecutively, at night he started to say like, "Oh babe, what are you using?" So the turmeric body butter is one of my favorites for getting your skin to glow, or if you have like blemishes or light and dark spots or hyperpigmentation over your face. So here's a look of everything that was in the box. She sends you these little scoops, but I tend not to use them. So right now, the turmeric body butter, this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to show you how it works. So here I am rubbing it. It doesn't take that much. I tend to use a lot because I just love how it feels. It spreads on so smoothly, and as you can see, I'm already getting an instant shine. So if you have, especially like me, when I was a child, my problem areas were one of my knees. I've been using this pretty consistently for the last, I would say, maybe over 3 or 4 months, and I can already tell the difference. So this is a must-have product in your cabinet. Look at that shine. So I'm just going to finish rubbing this in, and then I'm going to do a comparison with my other leg. So as you can see, I didn't put any more of the product on my hand, and I'm just going to use what's left and rub it in on that other leg that doesn't have any tattoos. So it's all, my legs are already getting that shine, that glow. It's getting moisturized, and that's what I like about her products, that it really doesn't take a lot, and your skin stays moisturized all throughout the day. These products are a must-have, and the products really work with the discoloration on my knees. I can tell it's getting better. I use under my arms also. Okay, so just to review, lemon butter, hands down, one of the best. This is one that I had already had previously, the pineapple sage. It has more of like a sage smell than it does pineapple. It's not that strong. So here again, that's the lemon pound cake. This is the one that I use all the time. The strawberry pound cake body butter is one of my, I don't know, I would say second favorite because I like the turmeric glow too. So these top 3 are ones that I have to make sure I have stocked. As you can see, I think I got an issue. The little small ones she came out with, they're easier to carry with you. So I bought a small one in the strawberry pound cake body butter. As you can see, it has shea butter, castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, and she markets the products so that they can be used anywhere on your body from top to bottom. So check this out, you guys. Mahogany melt body butter is marketed towards men. I like the smell. I really like cocoa butter. It has like very strong smell. The cinnamon buns is probably my least favorite just because the cinnamon smell is so strong, and that could be because I like to use a lot of the products. So I probably use this one the least, but I still like it. I think it was one of her fall smells. So you can check this out. All of her products, she has these little readings on it, like affirmation readings to make you feel better about yourself, and it works. So right here, the cocoa cashmere body butter I no longer have because one of my male friends took it, and he said that's his favorite scent. So just want to take a time to appreciate what these products do for me. So when I do my twist, this is how it looks when I use a twist, and I always have to pop a nighttime selfie when I get done. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, say hey to me in the comments. If you're a new subscriber, leave your favorite emoji in the comments so we can connect, you know. So I was really excited about this video tonight because I feel like regarding holistic wellness and holistic fitness, one of the most important things you can do for yourself is that wind down at the end of the night. Whether it's your mom, a stay-at-home parent, or you just working, putting in a 9 to 5 at work, you in the military, you at home answering these calls. Look, that's one job I don't think I have the patience for. But wherever you work, food industry, whatever you doing, I know it's people out there getting on y'all nerves. Because I'm in the army and they do it to me. The best thing you can do for yourself at the end of the night is taking the time to de-stress and going to sleep calm. Don't be thinking about that stuff or whatever it is you got going on. Like, take this time to de-stress. And that's why I did this video tonight, because I just wanted to show you all some of my favorite wind down products. So I showed you all of the body butters that I'm really loving right now, all of them. And if you're not really big on lotions or body butters, look, you can use it for massaging your favorite person or favorite persons. I don't know what y'all be up to, but that body butter goes on so smooth and you just glow. Cause like, look at me, I'm going, you know. So before I done lost my stuff. Wait 1 second, here it goes. Before I do my body butters, I tend to almost every day shower with this. I got some other stuff that are my favorite too, but Dr.Bonners body wash soap products, because I think you can use it for multiple stuff. These products are my favorite. This has a very strong eucalyptus scent. So, and he even tells you somewhere on here that you only have to use like a tiny little dash, because if you don't, whew, it's gonna be getting hot up in there. So tonight I showered with this first, got all relaxed, and it was smelling good with the steam. The water was just so hot and I was loving it. And this is my all-time favorite body butter. It's, y'all, like, I gotta stop. Oh, lemon pound cake body butter. I don't know if I like it because it's so smooth. I don't know if I like it because I like lemon pound cake, but it makes me sleep like a baby. So thank you for staying in tune for the video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the products that I've showed you today, leave what you need to know. Look at me, forgetting words again, in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Good night. Get some sleep. Rest your body. Rest your mind. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.